Alright, so here we have the Pratt necktie knot. To remove it, we're going to slide the narrow end out. This is not a self-releasing knot, so we do need to untie it there. Let's give it a try in a reversed hand. So again, standard length tie, seam side out, starting at 1, 2, 3, 4th button for the narrow end, and cross over here at the 2nd button. Short end on top. We're going to spiral once over this neck piece. Pull that through. Going to wrap the face, up the back, and down through that loop we just created there. Little twist there in it. Straighten that up. Cinch that up in place. And there you have it, Pratt necktie knot.